Did you know that right in your car, CarPlay is hiding a bunch of features that 9 out of 10 drivers don't even realize exist? Some simple tricks can save you from awkward moments, help you drive more focused, and even prevent thousands of dollars in repair costs. It sounds hard to believe, but CarPlay isn't just for playing music or checking maps. It can turn your car into a smart, digital assistant. In this video, we'll explore 15 fascinating secrets, from customizing the interface to driving safety tips, guaranteed to surprise you from the very first minute. If you find this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for the latest updates. 1. Automatic parking location memory. Have you ever walked out of a supermarket into a parking lot and struggled to remember where you parked your car? The sun's blazing, the lot has hundreds of spaces, and every car looks the same. Just a few minutes of wandering can be exhausting. CarPlay quietly solves this problem for you. Every time you turn off the engine and disconnect your iPhone from CarPlay, your phone automatically marks the parked car location in Apple Maps. No extra apps or complicated setup needed. Just open Maps, type parked car, and you'll see an arrow pointing exactly to where your car is. The cool part? This system learns your habits. If you park in the same company lot every day, it won't bother you with notifications. But when you're at an unfamiliar mall or in a new neighborhood, this feature kicks in instantly. It's accurate to within a few meters, so you can find your car without circling around in confusion. Imagine how impressed your friends will be when you always remember exactly where you parked, when really, your iPhone's doing the work. This isn't just convenient. It keeps you calm, saves time, and avoids unnecessary stress in crowded parking lots. 2. Advanced Siri and voice control. Many people think CarPlay's Siri is just for basic commands, but Apple has hidden some seriously cool tricks. The problem is, most drivers only know one way to activate it, so they fumble when they need it, and Siri can feel slow or even distracting while driving. Did you know that holding the voice button on your steering wheel makes Siri respond much faster than using the car's default assistant? When stopped, you can use the dashboard button for more complex commands. On the road, a quick tap on the wheel lets you give short, snappy orders. Even better, CarPlay lets you bypass Siri entirely with the voice control feature in the accessibility settings. You can say things like play music, swipe left, or go to home screen without waiting for Siri to respond. The best part? Voice control works even when you lose signal, which is super helpful on mountain roads or in remote areas. In short, mastering these 3 methods turns you into a CarPlay pro, letting you drive safely and control everything smoothly without staring at the screen too long. This makes your car a true companion, not just a blown-up phone on your dashboard. 3. Hidden app organization. Have you ever been frustrated trying to rearrange apps on your CarPlay screen like you do on your iPhone, only to find they won't budge? You press, hold, and drag, but nothing moves, making you think CarPlay doesn't allow customization. Actually, Apple has hidden this feature. It's just not on CarPlay itself, but on your iPhone. Open Settings, go to General, tap CarPlay, select your car, and hit Customize. Instantly, you can rearrange everything. Put WhatsApp at the top for quick messaging, push rarely used apps to the bottom, or even remove that podcast app you opened once. Want to start fresh? Just tap Reset Home Screen. Layout, and it's back to a clean slate. Even cooler, each car remembers its own layout. Your work car can prioritize productivity apps, your weekend car can put music and maps first, and a rental car can stick to the basics. No more one-screen-fits-all mess. Here's a small tip. Those red notification dots on app icons can be turned off. Go to Notifications in iPhone Settings and disable Show Badges for specific apps. The result? A clean, focused CarPlay screen without distracting unread notification counts. Hidden app organization sounds simple, but without knowing this, many people deal with a cluttered screen, wasting time finding apps and losing focus while driving. With this trick, you turn CarPlay into a tidy, smart dashboard with only what you need. 4. Disable autoplaying music. Have you ever started your car only to have yesterday's half-finished music blast through the speakers, leaving you frozen in embarrassment? Maybe it's a high-energy gym playlist or, worse, a podcast full of weird laughter, and your parents or coworkers are in the car. Not only is it awkward, but autoplaying music can distract you during those critical first seconds of driving. The good news? CarPlay has a fix for this, but few know about it. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, go to Automation, select CarPlay, and choose Run immediately. Then add the pause playback action. From now on, whenever your car connects to CarPlay, the system will automatically pause music instead of playing whatever was last on. The best part? This works not just for Apple Music, but for any audio app. Whether it's a podcast, audiobook, or your secret playlist, everything stays silent until you choose to play it. You can even set conditions. For example, music autoplays at the gym, but stays off at home. With just a few minutes of setup, you get a smart music butler. No more revealing your quirky music taste, no more awkward moments with passengers. Most importantly, you start your drive is in control and focused. This is one of those small tricks that brings big comfort and safety to every trip. 5. Personalize the CarPlay interface. Most people leave their CarPlay interface as the default, looking as plain as a brand new iPhone out of the box. But think about it. You're behind the wheel every day, so why not make that screen your own? Go to Settings on your iPhone, select CarPlay Wallpaper, and you'll find plenty of options. From sleek dark themes for a classy vibe and vibrant colors for a sporty car, to dynamic backgrounds that shift with the light as you drive through tunnels or at night. The cool thing is, this personalization isn't just about looks. Studies show that a familiar, pleasing interface reduces stress and boosts satisfaction while driving. For example, if you drive a sleek black sedan, a minimalist dark theme makes the interior feel cohesive. Or, if you're in a lively convertible, a splash of color adds a fun vibe. You can even switch it up by season or mood, making CarPlay an extension of your personality. With just a few taps, you transform a bland dashboard into a personalized tech space that's both comfortable and stylish. If you think this matters too, give me a like. 6. Smart notification control. One of the most distracting things while driving is notifications popping up all over your CarPlay screen. Unread texts, work emails, and even social media alerts keep appearing, making you annoyed while you're trying to focus. Many people just turn everything off, but that risks missing critical calls from family or urgent situations. CarPlay actually lets you control this with precision. Go to Notification Settings on your iPhone, select each app, and toggle Show in CarPlay on or off. This way, you can keep texts and calls but block social media or ad notifications. Even better, you can turn off those red notification dots showing unread message counts. No more stressing over a glaring 47 on your messaging app icon. Your screen becomes clean and focused, showing only what's essential while driving. Smart notification control doesn't just help you stay focused, it makes you feel at ease, free from being overwhelmed by tech. It's a simple way to turn CarPlay into a considerate assistant instead of an oversized, distracting phone. 7. Driving focus mode. Have you ever been driving when your phone keeps buzzing with group chat messages or work emails, making you annoyed and distracted? Just 1 second of inattention can be dangerous. CarPlay has a built-in driving focus mode, but most people overlook it. When you connect to CarPlay, this mode activates automatically, blocking nearly all distracting notifications. You can customize it. Keep calls from your spouse or kids, but silence work messages or social media alerts. The system can even auto-reply to contacts with a message like, "I'm driving, I'll call you back later." The best part? It not only cuts distractions, but also eases your mind. Knowing you won't be interrupted lets you focus on the road. Even your Apple Watch switches to a simpler interface to sync with this mode. 8. Offline maps. Anyone who's driven through mountains or rural areas knows the frustration of losing 4G signal and seeing CarPlay display a blank screen. You need directions urgently, but the map just spins endlessly. It's annoying and unsafe. This is where offline maps come in, but most people don't even know they exist. Before you head out, open Apple Maps on your iPhone, select the area you're traveling to, and download it. From then on, CarPlay works smoothly, even without a signal. The downloaded maps still provide detailed directions, speed limits, and even traffic info cached from your last connection. If you often travel, go on business trips to remote areas, or just don't want interruptions on the road, make a habit of downloading maps beforehand. It's like carrying an old-school paper map, but way smarter, ensuring your trip stays safe and seamless. 9. SharePlay for music control. On road trips with friends or family, choosing music can turn into a silent battle. Some want ballads, others crave EDM, and the kids demand nursery rhymes. Passing the phone around is not only unsafe, but also a mess. CarPlay has a brilliant solution called SharePlay in Apple Music. When using CarPlay, tap the icon with a person and music waves, and a QR code appears. Passengers can scan it to add songs to the playlist from their own phones. No need for Bluetooth or messy cables. The driver keeps main control, but everyone gets to contribute their favorite tunes. No more arguments or music dictators. Everyone gets a say, making the car's vibe more fun and relaxed. Plus, SharePlay works over mobile data, so your friends don't need to share Wi-Fi or a hotspot. 10. Send voice messages. Many drivers use Siri to send texts, but its robotic voice can make messages hard to understand or even cause miscommunication. This is where CarPlay's voice message feature shines. Just say, "Send an audio message to," and start talking. The recipient gets your actual voice, complete with tone and emotion, instead of a dry text. The great thing is, CarPlay uses your car's microphone, so recordings are clear with minimal background noise. Even on the highway, wind or tire sounds won't drown you out. This feature is perfect for expressing emotions, chatting with family, or saving time compared to typing long texts. Compared to text messages, voice messages feel much more personal and warm. Your loved ones hear your actual voice, making them feel your care. Most importantly, it's all done hands-free, keeping your hands firmly on the wheel. It's safe, convenient, and adds a touch of warmth to every conversation. This small feature makes driving less stressful and more connected. 11. Share estimated time of arrival, ETA. Anyone who's been bombarded with texts from friends or family asking, "Where are you? How much longer?" knows how annoying it is to respond while driving. Just 1 second of distraction to type a reply can be dangerous. CarPlay's built-in estimated time of arrival, ETA, sharing feature solves this problem completely. When you're navigating, just tap the share arrow in the ETA section and choose who to send it to. They'll get a link showing your location and expected arrival time, updated in real time. If you hit traffic, take a detour, or slow down, the info updates instantly, so you don't need to send a single extra message. This feature is especially handy for parents picking up kids, couples meeting after work, or friends waiting at a cafe. The recipient can track your progress without anxiously calling over and over. 12. Integrated Apple Intelligence. In the past, Siri on CarPlay could only handle basic tasks like making calls, playing music, or giving directions. But with Apple Intelligence, AI, built into the latest iOS, things have changed dramatically. Now you can ask complex questions like, "Will it rain in Dalat tomorrow? If so, suggest an indoor cafe near Chuanhuang Lake." The system understands and responds clearly, without the hesitation of older versions. What's smart is that the AI knows you're driving. If a question is too long or detailed, it gives a concise answer to keep you focused. When you're stopped, you can ask for more details, like a recipe or event list. The AI also remembers context, so if you're playing music, you can say, "Add this to my favorites," and it gets it right away. The convenience lies in how smoothly the AI integrates with Apple's ecosystem, scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and controlling smart home devices, all with just a few words. If you used to think CarPlay was a bit dumb, now it's like a sharp, considerate assistant, making your drive smoother and smarter. 13. Safe sound recognition. Have you ever cranked up the music so loud you didn't hear an ambulance siren behind you? That's a seriously dangerous situation, as even a few seconds delay in yielding can have major consequences. CarPlay has a built-in safe sound recognition feature, but few people notice it. When enabled in the accessibility settings on your iPhone, the system listens to your surroundings, distinguishing normal noise from critical sounds like ambulance, fire truck, or alarm sirens. Instantly, a visual alert pops up on the CarPlay screen, so you're aware even if the music is blasting. This feature is a game changer for hard-of-hearing drivers or anyone easily distracted while driving. It's like having an extra pair of ears focused solely on detecting danger for you. Many U.S. insurance companies are starting to value this feature for reducing accident risks. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference. You can enjoy your music while knowing CarPlay is watching out for your safety. 14. Hidden system reset. Sometimes, while driving, your CarPlay screen freezes, buttons stop responding, the map stalls, and the music cuts out. It's frustrating and even nerve-wracking if you urgently need directions. Many think they have to take the car to a dealership to fix it, but CarPlay actually has a hidden system reset that few know about. Each car brand has a unique button combo. For example, on a Ford, hold the volume and track skip buttons. On a BMW, press the volume button for about 30 seconds. This isn't just a regular restart, it's a deep reboot that clears the temporary memory and refreshes the entire system. In seconds, minor issues like frozen touchscreens, slow responses, or apps not opening disappear. Most importantly, you're no longer stuck feeling helpless on the road. Knowing this trick gives you peace of mind. Instead of worrying that your multi-thousand-dollar car is broken, a few simple presses bring everything back to normal. It's a small skill, but incredibly useful, making you a confident driver who won't let tech slow you down. 15. Seamless music crossfade. Have you noticed how jarring it feels when a song ends abruptly, leaving a silent gap before the next one starts? On long drives, those pauses can kill the vibe and make the car feel less lively. CarPlay has a crossfade feature to fix this, but most people don't think to turn it on. Go to music settings on your iPhone, select crossfade, and set it to 3 to 4 seconds. The current song will fade out while the next one fades in, creating a smooth flow like a DJ's in your car. Want a more dramatic effect? Set it to 6 seconds for a noticeable fade. This feature works across apps, from Apple Music to podcasts and audiobooks. Even when listening to a story, you won't get a jarring stop between chapters or sudden volume shifts. It's a small touch, but crossfade transforms your music experience while driving. No more awkward silences, just a continuous flow of sound that keeps your journey smooth and full of emotion. CarPlay isn't just a screen for your iPhone. It's a smart assistant that makes driving safer, more comfortable, and more in control. Features like parking memory, disabling autoplay music, or sharing ETA bring real practical value, saving time, avoiding hassle, and keeping you focused. By mastering these tips, you don't just use tech, you make every trip smoother and more rewarding. Don't miss the next video. Follow the channel now.